Good morning, dear students. I am Dhanashri, your computer teacher, and I hope everyone is at home. Stay home, stay safe. Today we will start with the subject computer. Wow, what a beautiful scenery it is. It has rainbow, many birds are flying, trees are there, beautiful flowers are there. The nature is really very beautiful. Whenever I see colors, I would like to draw. Do you like drawing? Yes, I know every one of you like drawing. Each and every child want to draw whenever they see colors. Can we draw using computer? Yes, we can draw using computer. For drawing, we use Paint application in computer. So you must be thinking, why ma'am is talking about drawing? Ma'am is a computer teacher. Has ma'am forgotten that ma'am is a computer teacher? No, I have not. It's because our today's topic is related to drawing, that is Paint. In class 2, you have used Paint. And I remember you have drawn many beautiful drawings like birthday cake, snowman, boat and many more. Today we will see some more tools of Paint. We will start with chapter number 5, that is Fun with Paint. And we will cover polygon tool, select tool, call out tool, resize and skew, rotate, crop and undo. So see the demo carefully. I hope you remember how to open a Paint. If you don't remember, you have to click on Start button. This is Start button. Click on Start button. Type Paint, P-A-I-N-T, Paint, and click on this icon. Paint window will open. First tool we will see polygon tool. This is polygon tool. Click on this polygon tool, and polygon tool will help you to draw a shape with many lines. The number of lines, it depends on you. So draw the first line of your shape. Now wherever you will click, the line will be drawn automatically. See. So just click, line will appear automatically. Okay. See. Just click. Where you have started, there whenever you will click, your polygon will be drawn. So number of lines I have used, and using polygon tool I have drawn this kite. So how to fill color inside this? So color 1 is this one. Color 1 is a foreground color. Color 2 is a background color. It is border color, this is inside color. So click on color 1. See, border is red. Border size you can also change like this. If you want to increase the border size more, control and plus you will use. See, control and plus, like we do in brush. Okay. Control plus will increase the outline size also. Now outline, see there are different types in outline. Crayon, oil, natural pencil, watercolor, whatever you want, take it. Next one is color 2. this one, this is color 2. It is inside color. So if you don't like any color from color palette, click on edit colors, and from here you will select a color, your own color. See, color 2. And when you select color 2, you have to select a fill type. This is fill type. You have to select this. Select fill and color 2 and fill. See, can you see different types of fill? Solid color, crayon, marker, oil, natural pencil. So I will select natural pencil. So this is our polygon tool. Next one is select tool. Two select tools are there: rectangular selection, freeform selection. Rectangular selection will select a part of a drawing in rectangular form, and freeform selection will select a part of the drawing in any form. See. So two selection tool, rectangular and freeform. A tool which is used to change the size of a drawing. So if you want to change the size, first you have to select the part of a drawing whose size you want to change. Suppose I want to change the size of a Doraemon. I will select this Doraemon, okay, and after that I will use resize tool. See this one, resize tool. Click on resize tool. If you specify size greater than 100, size will be increased, okay. Resize tool, and if the size is less than 100, it will be decreased. Again, resize tool, I will give size greater than 100, size is increasing, sorry. Again, resize tool, skew option. Whenever I will use skew option, it will give slanting effect to my selected drawing, okay. Next one is rotate. If you want to rotate the selected drawing, click on rotate. See, my drawing is rotated. Now, if you want this selected drawing, only this selected drawing in drawing area, rest everything should be disappear, then you will click on crop tool. This is a crop tool. Okay, this is a crop tool. Click on it. So only the selected part will be there as your drawing. If I have cropped it by mistake, so to undo this, Ctrl Z is the shortcut key. What is the shortcut key? Ctrl Z. Okay. Ctrl Z is the shortcut key to undo the previous action. Now you can see a comic book page. Here, whatever dialogues are there, it is visible in this shape. So this shape is called callout shape. This one. Can you see this one? This is callout shape. Like this, you can also insert callout shape in your drawing. So there are basically 3 callout shape. First one, rounded rectangular callout. Second one, oval callout. Third one, cloud callout. So click on a callout, draw it, fill color, And if you want to write, click on text tool. Click on text tool, draw a text box here, write a dialogue, whatever dialogue you want to show in this call out. Second one is oval call out. This is oval call out. This one. Okay. Click on this call out. Draw a call out. Click on text tool. Draw a text box. Write a dialogue here. Third one is cloud call out. This is cloud call out. Whenever you want to show a dialogue going inside the mind of a character, we will use cloud call out. Okay. Click here. Draw a call out and write a dialogue using text tool. So 3 types of call out are there: rounded rectangular call out, oval call out, and cloud call out. So we have seen polygon tool, select tool. In select tool there are 2 tools: rectangular selection tool, freeform selection tool. Call out tool, 3 call out tools are there: oval call out, rounded rectangular call out, and cloud call out. Resize and skew, rotate, crop. We will see the icons of these tools. These are the icons, or these are the tools which we have seen today: polygon tool, oval call out, rounded rectangular call out, cloud call out, rectangular selection tool, freeform selection tool, resize and skew, rotate and crop. See the icons again, because whatever worksheet I am giving you, it will be based on this. Thank you. Keep smiling.